We have breaking news tonight at 6. Earlier today, the Supreme Court overturned Roe versus Wade, leaving it up to state leaders to decide if abortion should be allowed or not. Missouri became the first state to ban abortions in the country following this decision. We have a look right now from Washington, D.C. This is live, happening right now, where protesters have been gathered since the decision came out this morning. We have team coverage tonight from both Jefferson City and Columbia, where people have been speaking out about this decision. Shortly after the decision was released, Missouri leaders took action on banning abortion across the state, and ABC 17's Hannah Falcon kicks off our team coverage after speaking with supporters who gathered in Jefferson City. Hannah, Missouri became the first state to outlaw those abortions today.
Lucas, this morning, Missouri's Attorney General and Governor both enacted an anti-abortion trigger law, which effectively bans abortions in the state, except for in cases when the mother's life is in danger.
We can now celebrate this tremendous victory for the countless lives of our precious unborn children. Today begins a fresh new chapter in America.
On the front steps of the Missouri Supreme Court, anti-abortion activists and politicians like State Representatives Sarah Walsh and Doug Ritchie gathered to celebrate Missouri becoming the first state to outlaw abortion.
Since we were the first state to overturn this, I think it just made it even more important to get out here.
We can provide authentic choice.
But just across the street, a small group of young women came together to show their disappointment in the ruling. Katen Garrett, Carolyn Fisher, and Melissa Rogie say they're most disappointed with their elected officials.
You could have done something. You were the only people that could have. And that was their responsibility and their right as our representatives, but they failed us.
Both sides of the argument and street say the fight is not over.
I tell you, 49 years, that's a lot of time, and there's been a lot of fight, a lot of effort, a lot of sacrifice that people have put into this.
Now, Lucas, this newly enacted law does not ban things like Plan B or birth control, but I spoke to Pro-Choice Missouri earlier today, and they said they think that might be next. Reporting live from the state capitol, I'm Hannah Falcon, ABC 17 News.